Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a 3-look 1 palette tutorial. I hope you are excited for this one because I am. It is a part 2 for the Designer Brands palettes that I shared a few weeks ago or whenever it was in my haul videos. We've already done the Rose Romance one and now today we are doing the Starlight palette. How stunning is this? I feel like it's just taking me back to my childhood where I had those plastic little bracelets that had glitter and everything in them and I just watched them move all day until they broke. But anyway, this is the palette that we're going to be using today. If this is something that you would love to continue seeing, please consider subscribing. Around here we do a butt ton of beauty related content. My name is Liz. I forgot to mention that before. I'm Lizzie. You can call me anything you want. I'll answer. Anyway, if this is something that you want to continue seeing, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me and it helps get my videos out there. Also, if you would like to be notified, please consider clicking the bell button. So that you get a notification every time I post a new video. So we're going to be doing 3 looks today, but prior to that I'm going to just do these swatches for you, and I'm going to apologize because I'm going to put my glasses on and I may very well blind you, but I cannot read without my glasses. Up close, yeah, we're okay, but anywhere else we're not. So before we get on with the looks, let's get on with the swatches. Alrighty, so we're going to start, so there's 3 rows. Let me just show you. There's 3 rows. We're going to start on this side, go down the middle and go down the 3rd side. So we're going to start off with Interstellar, then Twinkle Twinkle, then Supernova, and Celestial. They are really, really gorgeous, and I apologize for the noise of that motorbike that just drove past. I don't think I can edit that out. But anyway, how gorgeous are these? I am obsessed with this one. That is Supernova. Next up, from the 3rd row, we're going to go in with Light Year, then Wish, then Milky Way, and Cosmos, which is this gorgeous black-based green. It's what I've got on my lid today. These mattes blend really nicely. They're balling up. This must just be maybe a DB formula like thing, because they ball up, but then they still blend out really nice and they still have a lot of pigment. They just ball up, and I haven't experienced a lot of that before. So the final row, we go in with Celestial, which is a beautiful gold, Galaxy, Earth, and then lastly, Night Sky. I didn't space those out very well. The black in this palette is nice, but it's more of a grey. It does not have a lot of pigment in it. I was quite disappointed. This one here, this is called Galaxy. It has a blue and purple duo tone. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the swatches for this palette. I think it would be really great for someone who likes the muted kind of colors but loves a good foil or shimmer, and has quite a nice variety of neutral mattes for you to create any kind of look that you're wanting to go for. Before we get on with the tutorials, I would like to also just quickly mention that this retails for $14.99. This is what it looks like. Comes with the plastic cover over the top with the names there. Has quite a large mirror. Quite frankly, even though the black isn't as pigmented as I would like it to be, it is a really nice palette, definitely worth the $14.99. So those are just my final thoughts on this palette. I hope you enjoyed this 3-look 1 palette tutorial, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. If you have any questions, thoughts, please leave them there and I will get to them as soon as I can. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope that you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video.